Визуально дальность соответствует измерен.
And range is as supposed to be. Copy.
Inside 180 feet now. The docking port that you see is at the interface between the Zarya control module, the first element of the International Space Station, launched to orbit back in November of 1998, and the Zvezda service module, which became the third major component of the orbiting complex back in July of 2000.
At 30 meters range.
The Piers docking compartment became a permanent component of the station in September of 2001 and serves also as the exit and entry point for Russian-based spacewalks.
Looking good.
Не понял.
Say again, please.
Да, конечно. Визуально.
Visual monitoring.
Наблюдаем.
$150 feet now from the station's docking port on the Piers docking compartment.
Дальность 40, скорость соответствует.
At 40 range.
With relative motion to each other being identical, the two spacecraft will dock traveling a little more than 17,000 miles per hour, about 5 miles per second.
Мишень также собрана 1 лево полградуса вниз.
1 degree to the left, 1.5 degree down is the position of the crosshairs collected otherwise. How do you observe the target? Clearly? Yes, clearly. And the target is collected at this time in the center, and the range is as supposed to be. Okay, copy.
110 feet away, the docking target that they are referencing is right in the center of the crosshairs, so the vehicle is right on target with the docking port at the top center, but obviously the crosshairs are focusing on that docking target.
Checking course range, 30 meters range at this time. Issue the command. Issue work command. Copy.
Команда выдана.
The command is issued.
Включаю пересветку.
Inside 100 feet.
Just in case I'm putting in a C mode. Just monitor the further movement and then you can deactivate it. Yes. Yes, we have out, and we have an instruction. And there is a movement 10 degrees by roll, visually, yes, observing.
65 feet high above the Caribbean, a beautiful view from 262 miles up.
Target in the center. Now target is moving to the left 2 degrees. Copy.
Крен возвращается.
Now the roll is getting within the norm. Copy.
Сохраняется небольшой крен.
There is still a few degrees clockwise.
Порядка полградуса.
Closing rate is
Right at half
about
degree.
a tenth of a foot per second.
Copy.
Inside 40 feet.
Сближение устойчивое.
Rendezvous steady. Copy.
$25 feet. Five meters now, that's about 16 feet.
Okay, we are monitoring nominal rendezvous, completely nominal. Yes, we'll be watching for contact. Yes, expecting contact. We have contact.
And we have contact at 4:22 p.m. Central Time as the International Space Station and the Progress spacecraft high above the Atlantic Ocean, east of Florida, northeast of the Caribbean islands.
To you.
A very smooth, not only approach and docking, but obviously launch as well the entire day. Followed the launch to docking timeline almost perfectly, with launch occurring at 10:23 this morning and docking at 4:22 this afternoon, U.S. Central Time. A 5-hour, 59-minute flight from launch to docking of the 54 Progress vehicle, delivering just under 5,700 pounds of cargo, or 2.8 tons of supplies and equipment, propellant, oxygen, and water to the 6 crew members aboard the International Space Station.
On our go, we will be deactivating Toro. Yes, I am ready for all of that. On your go.
The mass of the orbiting complex now just under 912,000 pounds, or 413,000 kilograms. We will await confirmation of closing of the hooks and latches to secure the 54 Progress to the Piers docking compartment's Earth-facing or nadir port.